So this is your first time, so just relax the best you can, okay? We're gonna go nice and slow, just like other videos. We'll take our time, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay. Just right in here.
Oh.
Whoa. Was that painful? Was it scary? Was it what? What was that reaction?
Both.
Both?
I feel good.
That's the best reaction ever. I'm sorry to scare you like that. We got one more, we're done, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Okay. This side should be a little bit easier, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good, nice and relaxed here. Okay, you just gotta relax now. Okay, let it go here. Okay. She's a little scared this time. She's not relaxing like she did on the other side.
Oh. Oh, hurt.
Okay. You're gonna love this adjustment. Okay, so that's it. Okay, you did it. You made it. Okay. Okay, so in a minute you're gonna get up, just like in the videos. Note just the reverse curve right there. Oh.
I don't remember that.
You don't remember that?
It's been a while. I'll put it that way.
Your daddy didn't adjust you like that?
He did. I mean, it was a lot of clicking around, but I don't remember that.
Okay, other side.
Didn't hurt. It was just.
So something new. I like that.
Something new.
Something new. Good. Now one more side and we're done. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this shouldn't go quite as much as the other side, but you can laugh just the same if you want to. That's fine. Actually, this kind of tight right here. You feel that tension right
Yeah,
here?
definitely.
Okay, let this go here. Does feel tight. Right now I'm on C4, C5 area. Definitely tight in there. But you okay?
Yeah.
Did I get your jaw a little bit there or something?
I'm just
kind of evaluating.
kind of evaluating.
Gotcha. Okay.
Coming to terms with it.
Yeah. Okay, come around this side.